In this video, we will guide you through connecting the power cables between the transformers and the S4GA PCU, 2-cable variant, for the 6.6A PAPI LED projector. All installation steps along with all technical drawings can be found in the latest LED PAPI 6.6A installation and maintenance manuals. This diagram presents an optional configuration that includes the control box. Please note that the PAPI system is also available in a version without the control box setup. The full PAPI system consists of 4 LHAs, and each LHA has one PCU. Each PCU connects to two 200 watts isolating transformers. One circuit providing the main power from the main CCR, and the other circuit providing the reserve power from the backup CCR. Altogether, for all 4 LHAs, you need 8 transformers. 4 transformers for the main power circuit, and 4 transformers for the reserve power circuit. If you open the PCU, you can clearly identify from the label which wire is designated for System A, main power, and which is for System B, reserve power, making sure the correct connections are made. Ensure cables are not placed underneath the permanent PAPI structure. Doing so may crush the cable and damage the unit. Do not allow the cable to sit submerged in water when the system is powered on. For each power control unit, prepare 2 isolated transformers of 200 watts each per PCU. Remember about the transformers that will be used for the main CCR and the one for the reserve CCR. No additional grounding of all transformers is needed. Connect the cables coming out of the PCU to the matching isolated transformers. The plug and receptacle have 2 pins with different diameters, so they only fit in one direction, ensuring proper orientation. Connect the wire of System A to the transformer that will be supplied by the main CCR. Connect the wire of System B to the transformer that will be supplied by the reserve CCR. Repeat this for each PCU and each transformer. Connect the transformers within each circuit, main or reserve, together. Remember, there are no direct connections between the main circuit and the reserve circuit. They each operate in their own independent circuit, only linking through the PCU. Do the same for all transformers in the same circuit. Finally, connect the completed transformer circuits, main and reserve, to their respective CCR units. Main transformers to main CCR, and reserve transformers to backup CCR. The LED PAPI 6.6A with 2 CCRs and ATS, automatic transfer switch, is designed to work with 2 power sources, CCRA as the main power, and CCRB as the backup. The system automatically switches between them using an internal relay, based on the lamp's diagnostics. At any time, the lamp is powered by only one source. Once switched, it stays on that power circuit until another switch is needed. In normal operation, ensure both CCRA and CCRB are energized at the same time and at the same brilliancy levels for the fail-safe logic to work. However, the PAPI is powered only from one source, where priority is always given to CCRA. If CCRA fails during operation, the PAPI checks the status of CCRB. If CCRB is not ready, the relay stays on CCRA. If CCRB is ready, the relay switches immediately to CCRB. After a power restart, the system will check CCRA again. If CCRA is operational, the relay switches back to CCRA. If the PAPI is running on CCRB and CCRB fails, the system checks CCRA. If CCRA is not ready, the PAPI stays on CCRB. If CCRA is ready, the relay switches immediately back to CCRA. When operating the PAPI system with a dual-cable PCU, it's important to observe delays during both power on and power off sequences. To avoid unnecessary switching, always turn on CCRA first, then CCRB. A minimum 1-second delay should be applied when energizing CCRA and CCRB. When shutting down, always turn off the non-active CCR first, meaning the CCR that is not currently supplying power to the PAPI, to avoid unnecessary switching. A minimum 1-second delay should also be applied when de-energizing CCRB and CCRA.